Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily create Google Forms in just 2 or 3 minutes hardly. So that's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, the first thing you'll have to do is to open up the Google Chrome browser, and right here you'll be able to find this sort of option next to your profile. There are 9 dots in a square shape and you'll have to click on them, and you'll have to scroll down all the way, and right here you'll be able to find an option of forms. Now you'll have to click on forms and it will take you to a new window where you'll be able to find different options. Now what we'll have to do is to click on blank form, and right here we'll be able to find you'll be taken to a new page where you can customize all the things like for example, I want to set a title of test and then click on anywhere, and you can also change the font, you can also make it bold, italic, and you can also add links in it. Now the first question that you want to set, for example, uh, if you want an email from somebody, you can tap email and make it bold. If you want to make it bold, you can make it bold, and then the person will enter his answer on this page. Now you'll have to click on this plus icon and it will take you to the next section where you can ask for the phone number. You can also make it bold and then go to the next one, and you can also ask for liked the article or like the blog, and option 1 is yes and option 2 is no, and you can again click on next. Now once you've done once you're done with creating this complete form, completing this form, after that you can also select the background for this form, like Google Photos and all that stuff. And once you're done with creating this, you can also select themes by creating on this option, and you can also choose a background image like this and then click on insert. Now you'll be able to see that this has been inserted. And once you're done with creating the form, like you've created all the options, you'll have to click on send, and now you can copy the link for this by tapping on copy, and you can also send it to someone easily with the link. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.